Resetting your Element Xumo TV can fix glitches or prepare it for sale by restoring it to its original state and erasing all personal data, apps, and settings. The first method uses your remote, power on the TV, navigate to Settings with the gear icon, go to System, then Reset Options, select Factory Reset, and confirm. If you don't have the remote, unplug the TV for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and immediately hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the reset prompt appears. Use the volume buttons to select Reset and the power button to confirm. Remember to back up your data beforehand, as this process is irreversible. If your Element Xumo TV freezes during updates, the without remote method is particularly useful. Keep in mind to always update your TV firmware before resorting to a reset to avoid reintroducing known issues. Trends are shifting towards AI-assisted smart resets, allowing voice commands like, "Hey Google, factory reset my TV" on newer models. The future also includes eco-friendly resets, using energy-efficient power cycles and cloud-based recovery for restoring settings without full erasure. Remember, while most resets are successful, occasional issues may require professional service, especially if physical buttons are faulty.